5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, ignition, liftoff.
Hey guys, welcome to MB Tech Talker. My name's Matt. In this up and coming video series, I'd like to share with you my experiences and knowledge that I've gained over the last 3 years whilst designing and deploying Palo Alto Next-Generation Firewalls, and really demonstrate why this company are the industry's leaders when delivering threat prevention solutions. In this first video, I want to provide you with an introduction to the Palo Alto Networks firewall and explain some of the cool features the firewall has to offer. For many years, traditional firewalls have used port-based packet filtering to permit or deny traffic based on source and destination IP addresses, along with ports and protocols. Traditional legacy firewalls are able to provide some basic level of packet inspection, but often rely on other security platforms or devices to perform deep packet inspection, which often meant that traffic was processed multiple times, which can impact performance. Back in 2007, Palo Alto Networks produced and shipped its first advanced enterprise firewall, branded the Next Generation Firewall, or NGFW for short. Palo Alto's Next Generation Firewall inspects all layers of the network stack, which includes being able to identify individual application signatures within the packet. Palo Alto's single pass architecture allows physical or virtual next-gen firewalls to use the scan it all, scan it once approach, which enables superior security posture and performance. Palo Alto's Content ID engine combines real-time threat prevention with a comprehensive URL database and application identification to limit unauthorized data and file transfers, detect and block exploits, malware and dangerous web surfing, as well as targeted and unknown threats. Palo Alto's User ID feature allows security teams to identify all users on the network in all locations using different access methods and operating systems. Security policy rules can be configured to ensure end users are granted access to applications that they have been authorized to use. Palo Alto's URL filtering complements the threat prevention and application control by using a URL filtering database which contains up to 1 million URLs that are categorized using categories like gambling, hacking, pornography, or even shopping. This enables security teams to control end user browsing activities according to company policy. The Palo Alto Next Generation Firewall also has some out-of-the-box features supporting routing protocols like BGP, OSPF or RIP version 2. The firewall can be deployed in different modes to suit network requirements, which includes virtual wire mode, which acts as a transparent file, or another familiar term is bump on the wire. This is where the firewall can be transparently dropped into an existing network without the need of re-IPing. There is also tap mode, which passively monitors the network traffic using the spam feature, or known as port mirroring. Tap mode provides application, user and content visibility, but no security policies can be enforced. The Layer 2 deployment mode is where the firewall performs Layer 2 switching functions where ports can be used as access ports or 802.1q trunking ports. Layer 3 is a popular deployment mode where the firewall can route traffic between multiple interfaces configured with an IP address and security zone. The Layer 3 interface can also be configured as a DHCP client. Okay, so other next generation firewall features include VPNs, so site-to-site VPNs or remote access VPNs using Global Protect, QoS policies where you can configure traffic shaping or traffic policing, high availability modes including active-active and active-passive, virtual systems. This is where multiple virtual firewalls can be configured with separate policies on the same device. They can be compared to FortiGate VDOMs or Cisco ASA contexts, and also firewall management using the Palo Alto Web UI or the command line interface, or even Palo Alto's Panorama Enterprise Firewall Management Console. Okay, so that wraps up today's video. So over the next coming weeks, I'll be breaking down each of these next generation firewall features and technologies and creating separate videos explaining the concepts in more depth and how to configure them. If there are any topics you guys would like me to show you or explain in my videos, please leave a comment below. Please smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button. Thanks.